Alright, I'm back. You pulled it out that far. I meant to hit pause and I hit stop. So now this is another separate video. But I honestly never said I know what the heck I'm doing with this smartphone. So you're ready to pull. Get a buddy. Ben's down here. He's going to make sure that two things that happen. That's going to feed through and your feed wire is going to go through, and make sure you ain't got a knot, because it barely goes through as it is and ain't got a bunch of extra wires poking at it to get it through there. And the end is tied off with a lot of slack, so you're not going to pull it all through. Alright, so we're going to do this video of just pulling it out. I'm ready when you are, Ben. Good. Just say when. Alright, what he's doing now is making sure that where we twisted the wires together, that it's going to go through the stator tube. Wire end? Alright, another thing, this is Bakelite. You don't want it thrashing around and breaking it up, so put your towel down in the back as you're pulling this out so it won't